Yes, okay. So we are going to be doing something new today. So as we have learned about all these dictionary stuff, methods, iterating, blah blah blah, it's only fair that we look at some real world examples, as real as I can make them. Okay, good. So first of all, let's look at a password login system at let's say a very high level. Okay, let's just have a picture of how that's going to be. Okay, so typically you are going to have a user and then you're going to have two fields. This is how I like to create them for speed. So I do this. Sorry, this is supposed to be a column. And then I do this. And then I put my comma. And then I copy. And then I paste. Good. So we have our two records. Okay. So we have username like this. Username. Typically. Okay. So you have your username. And let's say it's superdan123. And then we're going to have some form of password. Now passwords are never just stored very raw. Yeah, they're usually encrypted, layers of encryption. But for just practice, let's see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just picture this in your head. We are storing these in key value pairs. Okay, so then when someone tries to log in, we'll then make a check, and then we'll see something like so. If user.get, it's not always this exact same flow, but bear with me, as real as you can get. Okay, so if user.get, we pass in the password. Okay, when we get a password, then we do our comparison. Like I said, we use the double equals, and then we see if it's equal to the string 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what do? Let's print something for our users. Then we can see user logged in successfully. Okay, so let me just run, and we say user logged in successfully because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that's that. No harm, no foul. But as good coders, I like to think we are all good coders over here. Let's handle the other condition. Okay, so if it's not so, what should we do? We should print, let's see. Now this is something you do, username or password incorrect. Okay, we don't want to tell them the exact one. I mean, we are working in the, at least not the back end, but we know what it is over here. Okay, but you don't want to tell, otherwise hackers know that okay, I've gotten this one right, I just have to work on the other one. So again, logged in successfully. Now let me change something over here. Okay, not the condition, the actual. So when I change this and I run, and you can see we have username or password incorrect. So just one simple example, and then we'll move on to something else.